Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to turn on sensitive content on X. So I will use my browser because when I use my X mobile application, I simply cannot see this such function. So if you have that problem as well like I do, then you should use your browser for this, and if not, it's completely okay if you use your mobile application because all the steps and process is identical. So if you follow my steps, I'm sure that you can do it. So I signed into my X account and in the top left corner I want to tap my profile picture, then scroll to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, and enter a section that says content you see. So if you want to turn on sensitive content on X, then you should make sure that you have your tick put in this checkbox next to line that says display media that may contain sensitive content. And this way you will see your sensitive content on your X feed. But for example, if you additionally want to turn on sensitive content in your search results, when you search for something on X, then go to search settings right here and make sure that you don't have tick put in this checkbox next to line that says hide sensitive content. So yeah, that's basically how you can turn on sensitive content on X. But if after these steps you still cannot see it, then you should download VPN and connect to United States of America, or you can connect to some Western European countries and see whether you can see your sensitive content, because those two regions are regions that usually do not block sensitive content. So yeah, try that and it should 100% work for you. That's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.